There is a moment most people never notice, the moment before something becomes meaningful. It doesn't announce itself. It doesn't demand attention. It simply exists, quiet and unassuming, waiting for someone to see beyond what it is right now. In that moment, nothing feels special. There's no shine, no perfection, no reason to pause. And yet, that's where the entire story lives, not in the final form, but in the unseen beginning where possibility is still untouched. What makes transformation powerful isn't the end result. It's the decision to begin when nothing guarantees beauty. When everything still feels uncertain, undefined, and incomplete. That's where intention quietly steps in and starts shaping the future. At first, the surface tells a simple story, one of time, exposure, and wear. It carries marks that don't try to impress. Lines that weren't planned. Textures that weren't designed. But hidden inside those details is something far more important than perfection: authenticity. Instead of erasing what already exists, the process listens to it. It studies it. It respects it. Because real creation doesn't come from forcing something new, it comes from understanding what's already there and allowing it to evolve. As the work begins, nothing dramatic happens. There's no instant transformation, no sudden shift that changes everything at once. Just a gradual, almost invisible progression. A quiet refinement that only reveals itself to those patient enough to notice. And that's where most people lose interest. Because we've been trained to expect speed. To value results over process. To celebrate outcomes without understanding what it took to get there. But here, speed has no place. Here, time is not an obstacle, it's a tool. Every movement carries weight. Every adjustment has consequence. There's no undo, no reset. Only forward motion guided by focus and care. And in that forward motion, something remarkable begins to unfold, not loudly, but with certainty. The shape doesn't appear all at once. It reveals itself in fragments. A suggestion here. A hint there. Enough to create curiosity, but never enough to fully explain itself too soon. Because discovery is part of the experience. There's a quiet tension in that uncertainty. A balance between control and surrender. Knowing when to guide, and when to allow. When to act, and when to simply observe. That balance is where true craftsmanship lives. And slowly, almost without realizing it, something begins to emerge, not just physically, but emotionally. It starts to carry presence. A kind of silent confidence that wasn't there before. Not because it's perfect, but because it's becoming intentional. This is the point where the process stops feeling mechanical and starts feeling meaningful. Because now, every detail has a purpose. Every decision contributes to something larger than itself. And what once felt random begins to feel connected, like pieces of a story finally aligning. There's something deeply satisfying about that alignment. Not in a loud or overwhelming way, but in a quiet sense of rightness. The kind that doesn't need validation, because it speaks for itself. But even in this stage, the work isn't about control. It's about awareness. About understanding that what you're shaping isn't just a form, it's an experience waiting to exist in someone else's world. And that changes everything. Because now, the focus shifts beyond the present moment. It becomes about longevity. About how this will be felt, not just seen. How it will exist over time, not just in this single creation process. There's a kind of responsibility in that realization. A reminder that what you're creating isn't temporary. It will move beyond your hands. It will become part of moments you'll never witness, in spaces you'll never enter. And yet, a part of you will always remain within it. That's the quiet power of intentional work. It carries presence long after the process ends. It holds meaning long after the effort is forgotten. It becomes something more than its physical form. As the transformation deepens, the imperfections don't disappear, they integrate. They become part of the identity. Not flaws to hide, but features that give character, depth, and individuality. Because perfection is predictable. But character is unforgettable. And in a world filled with repetition and uniformity, something that carries its own identity stands apart not by trying to be different, but by being honest. There's a moment in every process where everything starts to feel clear. Not because every step was planned, but because every step led here. That clarity doesn't come from certainty, it comes from trust. Trust in the process. Trust in the decisions. Trust in the unseen progress that brought everything together. And when that trust takes over, the work flows differently. It becomes less about effort and more about connection. Less about making something happen, and more about allowing it to fully arrive. Now, the presence is undeniable. What once felt distant now feels complete. Not in a final sense, but in a way that feels whole. Balanced. Resolved. Like everything has found its place without forcing it. And yet, even here, the story doesn't end. Because completion isn't the final chapter, it's the transition into a new one. What has been created now carries its own journey forward. It leaves this space and becomes part of another. It interacts with new environments, new perspectives, new emotions. And in doing so, it continues evolving without changing its essence. That's what makes it more than just something you see. It becomes something you experience. Something that exists not only in form, but in feeling. In presence. In the quiet way it occupies space and influences moments without demanding attention. And maybe that's what makes this process so powerful. It reminds us that meaning isn't always loud. Value isn't always obvious. And transformation isn't always visible in the way we expect. Sometimes, the most important changes happen slowly. Quietly. Without recognition until suddenly, they become undeniable. And when you look back, you realize something incredible. It was never about changing into something else. It was about revealing what was already possible. That idea goes beyond creation. It reflects something deeply human. Because we're not so different from what you've just witnessed. We all begin unshaped in some way. Undefined. Uncertain. And through time, through effort, through moments of patience and persistence we evolve. Not by becoming perfect, but by becoming intentional. By understanding ourselves. By refining what matters. By allowing our own story to take form. And just like this process, that transformation doesn't happen all at once. It happens in layers. In decisions. In moments that seem small, but carry lasting impact. Until one day, without even realizing it, you've become something that feels aligned. Not finished but real. Complete in a way that doesn't need to prove itself. And that's where true value lives. Not in perfection. Not in appearance. But in authenticity shaped over time. So when you see the final result, don't just see what it is. See what it took to become. See the patience behind it. The intention within it. The quiet dedication that shaped every detail. Because that's where the real story exists. Not on the surface. But within the journey. And if you felt even a small part of that journey, if something in this process resonated with you, then you're already connected to it. You've experienced more than just a creation. You've experienced a story. One that doesn't need words to be understood. One that stays with you, long after the moment passes. A story not just to observe, but to feel. A story not just to admire, but to remember. A story you can touch. And if this kind of story speaks to you, if you believe in the quiet power of transformation and the beauty of meaningful creation, then don't let this be the last one you experience. Take a moment to support the journey. Like this video, so it can reach others who value depth over distraction. Share it with someone who understands that true meaning takes time. And subscribe to Crafted with Studio, where every story is shaped with intention and every creation carries something worth feeling. Because this is more than what you see. It's what stays with you.